A tree used for coloring and tying. What an amazing tree this is. Introducing Anilaw, Colonna ceratifolia of the family Spermania. The genus name Colonna is derived from the Latin word colonus, meaning farmer or settler. This may relate to the plant's agricultural significance or habitat. The species name Ceratifolia comes from the Latin roots ceratus meaning so or so-like and folia meaning leaves. This indicates that the plant leaves have a serrated or sawed appearance. Anilaw is a shrub or small tree reaching about 3 to 15 meters high and a diameter of about 30 centimeters. It is endemic to the Philippines but may also be found in Borneo, the Malay Peninsula, and Sulawesi. It occurs in the Babuyan Islands, northern Luzon, Mindanao, Palawan, and most islands and provinces. It is common in secondary forests at low and medium altitudes up to 700 meters. It is a natural component of mixed dipterocarp forests. It flowers from May to July. Colonna ceratifolia is used as an ornamental plant in gardens and as a ground cover. It is also used to attract bees and butterflies. A red dye is obtained locally from the bark used in coloring cloth and paper. The bast fibers from the bark are suitable for tying purposes. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.